Well, thank you for jumping in. Appreciate it as always. Again, Don Russ Football ending on the bay now. Yep. Tomorrow, new release Crown Royal Basketball. Alright, guys. You want to go left, right, top, or bottom? Left, right, top, or bottom? Left, right, top, bottom. Left, right, top, or bottom? Anybody? Alright, we got it right. Anybody else? Otherwise, we shall be going to the right. Alright, right it is. Right, one out. It was bird right, one out. Alright. Left stand. Alright. Here we go. Oh, nice. Nice one. Silver Slugger Award, auto 31 of 75 for Cleveland Indians, Francisco Lindor. I need to get one of these. These are like very, very hard to get focused on. For the Indians, 31 of 75, Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Nice start. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. For the Mets, out of 75, Ahmed Rosario. Ahmed Rosario for the Mets. Clearly authentic autograph green parallel Clint Frazier for the Yankees. And for the Diamondbacks, Jimmy Sherfy. Maybe. Jimmy doesn't want to show his self. Jimmy says no. Refuse. Jimmy. There it is, Jimmy Sherfy. That one's not numbered. Jimmy Sherfy. Jimmy Sherfy. Out of 75, Mother's Day, Jose Barrios. For the Twins. Gosh, it's hard to focus on these cards. Very, very difficult. Oh, nice. For the Orioles, clearly authentic autograph, black parallel, Manny Machado. Manny Machado, black parallel autograph for the Orioles. And out of 25, Tim LaCastro for the Dodgers, blue. 5 of 25. For the Oakland Athletics, Matt Olson. That one is not numbered. For the Mariners, Ben Gamel, Father's Day, out of 99. For the Mariners, Ben Gamel. Mother's Day again for the Padres, Hunter Renfroe. What's up, Emerald? Hope all's well, my man. Alright, 2 to go. For the Miami Marlins, Justin Bour. For the Marlins, Justin Bour. That one is not numbered. Alright, last box. Good luck. For the Giants, Miguel Gomez. For the Giants, Miguel Gomez. Alright, up next, Don Russ. Still ending on the bay.